submarine. Are you ready to explore the ocean with me? Let's start drawing our submarine together. Submarines are amazing. They can travel deep, deep underwater, where it's dark and quiet. They have big windows, a periscope, and sometimes bright colors like yellow. Submarines can travel underwater for a really long time without coming to the surface. They use a special tube called a periscope to see above the water while staying underwater. Do you think submarines move fast or slow under the water? What's your guess? Submarines are used for science, exploring the ocean, and helping sailors and scientists study sea animals. What sea animals would you like to see through the submarine's windows? Dolphins or turtles? They are super strong to handle the pressure of being deep underwater. What sounds do you think submarines make under the water? Maybe bloop bloop or a hum? Perfect! We did an amazing job drawing our submarine. It looks ready to explore the deep sea. Now it's time to make it even better with colors. Let's make it colorful and super fun with our favorite colors. Did you know submarines have their own kitchens, bathrooms, and even beds for people who live on them? Some submarines have small, round windows called portholes to peek outside. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. submarines are usually gray, but some are painted bright colors like yellow for easy spotting. They are really good at staying quiet while underwater, like sneaky sea explorers. People also use small submarines, called mini-subs, for fun underwater adventures. Do you like underwater adventures? Would you want to ride in a submarine one day? If you had your own submarine, what would you name it? Something cool like Sea Explorer? Yay! Our submarine is all done, and it looks awesome. We've created such a wonderful sea explorer. Maybe you added bubbles, fish, or even a friendly whale in the background. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you had tons of fun. See you next time for more amazing art adventures.